We need to look in the hatch if we want to make certain. Alright, hello Beston, how are you? Welcome to our plant that we have finished. This is the 6 ton a day pyrolysis plant. Come on through. Alright, from this side we've got our gas burners and our heavy oil burners. They're all on tracks and they are working absolutely perfect to push in and out. And the gas burners are all connected up there. Further down this way, we have got our water-cooled spiral for removing the slag, and same part on this side, our spiral, the horizontal spiral that goes across into the manifold. Let me just follow around this side. Here we have connected up our manifold, okay, with our heavy oil tank at the bottom, which works very nicely. We've got an emergency exit out the top for gas and for pressure, and we've got our pipes that come across into the 3-in-1 condensing unit. We have put a small splash guard on the side there, which was extra to the original drawings, just to stop water from falling out the side, which works quite nicely. Further on this way, we have got our oil storage section. These white tanks are there to separate the water from the oil, and then from there they're pumped into the bigger storage tanks. We've got 30,000 liters of extra storage on here for the oil that we can pump out to customers as we need. From this side here, this is our 40 cube water storage for cooling the exhaust pipe outside, and that is about it. It's gone together very nicely. Thank you very much for all of your support and your help.